Ito ang regalo ko kay DJ. Happy birthday to you. Sabi, oh. Okay, ito ulit. Ha? Sino? Look. Oh.
hi DJL and all the rest of the July Kaawang celebrants. My heartfelt and sincere best wishes to you all, mga kaawangs. May God bless you, continue to bless you, and may God guide you to give you more peace and joy and love all the time as you celebrate your birthday. And not only this birthday celebration, but I wish you the best of everything, the great things that there is to the enjoy, and enjoy to the fullest. Continue to live happy regardless of the pandemic situation, or regardless of anything that is not good. You have to enjoy life regardless, okay? The measure of a person's life is not the years that you live your life, but it's the years that you have touched others, our dear Lord designed every detail of who we are, and who you are, and the gifts, the blessings that He's giving us. We should treasure it, and have it, consider it useful. Okay. Please enjoy your birthday, Dijal. You are a blessing to many. Okay, and enjoy your birthday. Continue those things, those kindness, the nice things that you do for the other people, for others, the sick ones. Well, everybody, continue the good work. Keep it up, the good job, and kudos to your show. You're doing great, and I salute you for that. Please enjoy your birthday celebration, and may God give you a lot more of blessings, love, happiness, peace, and joy. Okay? All right. Have a good one. God bless you all.